Hello friends and colleagues, I am Dr. Nirmal Patil. I am a consultant minimal invasive spine surgeon practicing at Chetna Hospital, Jahangir Hospital and Oyster and Pearl Hospital, Pune. I have completed my basic medical and advanced orthopedic training from KM Hospital, Mumbai. Subsequently, I have trained at state-of-art spine centers around the world. I was awarded the Secord Alexandria Spine Fellowship in Alexandria, Asia Pacific Spine Society Medtronic Spine Fellowship in Japan, Complex Spinal Deformity Surgery Fellowship in Nottingham, UK, Eurospine Fellowship in London, and Minimally Invasive Spine Surgery Fellowship in Germany. I perform all types of spine surgery such as disc replacement surgery, spinal deformity surgery, motion preserving as well as instrumented spinal fusion surgeries. I have done super specialization in keyhole spinal surgeries. This is a highly specialized targeted surgery with minimal collateral damage to the surrounding muscles, unlike open spine surgeries. I am a part of specialized spine societies such as Scoliosis Research Society, Eurospine Society. These societies are a group of like-minded spine surgeons that are involved in high-quality research and perform state-of-art surgeries. I have published research papers in top spine journals such as Global Spine Journal and Asian Spine Journal. Now, access to medicine is a basic and fundamental human right. However, specialty services may not be available to all due to small number of specialty surgeons around the globe. I would like to congratulate the chairman, Mr. Wambai Abubakar, the CEO, Mr. Usman Isa, the chief editor, Mr. Solomon Yakubu, the journalist, Ms. Prudence Okoma of the African Health and Fitness magazine, who are doing a fantastic job in bridging this gap. The establishment of this magazine goes a long way in helping the African people realize that their problems are treatable. To conclude, I would like to say, do not let your back hold you back, and that me and my team are always there for the people in need. Thank you.